Hey friends, it is Mel. Welcome to another grocery haul. This week I went to Aldi, but it's a very special Aldi trip. This is a collab with my friend Tiffany from Town Six. I have collabed with Tiffany before on some What's for Dinner videos. She is a super sweet girl. I will have her grocery haul linked down in my description box for you. Be sure to go and check her out. That girl has to buy groceries. She's got a husband and 4 kids at home, and it is summer, so her grocery bill, I'm sure, has went up immensely already. I'm going to show you what I got at Aldi, and I'm going to try some of Tiffany's favorite snacks. So when you get done here, be sure to check her out, and she'll be trying some of my favorite Aldi snacks. Let's see what I got. Okay, friends, this week I went to Aldi's. I spent $108. I got the regular things that I always like to grab for my pantry when I was there. I got some new and different things, and I got a few of Tiffany's favorite snacks to try out on my family too. So let's get into it. I always grab some toilet paper every week when I go to the store. I did get a bag of the Kirkwood red bag chicken breast. I grabbed a half a gallon of milk because I still have about a half in the refrigerator. I got some cinnamon rolls and 2 containers there of the crescent rolls. I got 2 blocks of cream cheese. These are some new items that I have never had from Aldi. I don't remember us ever trying their French onion dip before. And I have a bag of chips that are just plain that we need some dip to eat with, so I got this. I don't remember ever having the toasted coconut vanilla yogurt. I haven't bought yogurt really to eat in a long time. I kind of like burnt us out on it about a year or so ago, but I've kind of got a hankering for it again, so I just bought those. And I don't think I've ever had their fresh salsa, like the pico de gallo. It looked really good. And so I wanted to try that this week. I got a bag of the sweet butter lettuce. And I got a bag of spinach also, just to kind of stretch this a little further this week. I didn't want to have to buy a head of lettuce. I got a big bunch of broccoli crowns for salads and other stuff. I got a bag of the little mini sweet peppers and a bag of the mini cucumbers. These felt really good this week. The vanilla wafers were marked down. A lot of things, as a matter of fact, were marked down this week at Aldi. A lot of them, I don't know why, but they had the little X through them and they were cheaper. So some of the things that maybe I don't buy all the time, but I buy them sometimes, they were marked down. I just went ahead and grabbed them. I got the huge family size ranch dressing. We like Aldi's ranch dressing. And this was 10 to 20 cents cheaper by the ounce. And yes, it's going to be aggravating because it's not going to like fit in the same place in the fridge as where the other dressings do. But I guess we'll learn to live with that till we eat it. And I got this ranch powder. I don't remember ever seeing this at Aldi before. I bet they've had it and I've just never noticed it, but it was sort of on an end cap. This was $2.99 or $3.99. I'll try to put a price on here for that. It's getting low on olive oil. This is the cheapest place to buy it, so I just went ahead and grabbed another one. I always grab a taco seasoning every week. Every time I'm at Aldi's, I will grab a couple of these, or at least 1 can of these items here, because it's just so cheap and we always use them. I got 2 cream of mushroom soups, 2 cream of chicken soups, a little tomato paste, a Aldi brand Rotel. I got 2 refried beans, and these pork and beans, I don't think I've ever had Aldi brand pork and beans, but I got 2 cans of those because I just made cowboy beans not long ago, and I just always keep these so that I can throw cowboy beans together if I need to. Got a couple of cans of black beans, 2 cans of the sweet whole kernel corn, and I got 2 pounds of these little potatoes. These are hard to find in other grocery stores anymore, and this is really handy if you're short on time, or it's just a good shelf-stable way to keep potatoes. I got some grape jelly. I got the big one because this is like what I keep in the fridge to make Patrick's peanut butter and jelly sandwiches and biscuits and stuff. Because I had just bought 2 little ones, you may have remembered, to do crock pot meatballs with. Got a big jar of the mild salsa. And I got another one of these. This is really good. This white cheddar and black pepper macaroni and cheese. This is what I like to do that veggie mac and cheese with. But it's so good. I may just make it one night with something else. Just for, you know, special something. I don't know. Just to give my family a break from whatever I always do. I got these little sandwich crackers. These are the only kind of peanut butter and crackers they have at Aldi. But that would be fine for a snack. I did get some English muffins. I hope to prep some more sausage, egg, cheese McMuffins for Patrick to have during the week. Got a couple bags of instant mashed potatoes. If you know, you know. These make good tater cakes. And they're good just to eat, too. Got a loaf of honey wheat bread, and I'm happy to report all the bread looked fully stocked this week. And I got some hot dog buns in case we want to do chili buns this week. I got some mesquite barbecue kettle chips. I thought these looked very interesting. They're bacon and cheddar flavored potato chips. And I'll have Patrick try those in a minute for you. And I didn't get them, but they had them back in stock. I bought them last year. There's some chips. One of them is a honey bourbon, and the other one is like a ribeye steak flavored chip. But I had enough chips, so I didn't get them. But those are back in stock. And one of them's really good. I can't remember which one it is. We'll just have to go back and look on a grocery haul and see. Now, these are multi-grain tortilla chips. This is something that Tiffany gets a lot and turned me onto these. I love them. Look how good they look. I ate that whole bag. Fruit snacks. They had the assorted but not the tropical ones. I can't tell you how long it's been since Aldi has had fruit snacks in. My little lesser evil, the little Himalayan pink popcorn. I'm not a big buyer of the bagged pre-popped popcorn, but I will have to say I like this kind right here. I really like that. I needed some more of the, we call it yellow sugar. It is sucralose. It's the one that's yellow. It's the one that's packaged in the yellow. It's the off-brand, whatever sucralose is. I can't remember right now. I got some Swiss rolls, and I got Patrick's favorite little Girl Scout knockoff tag-along cookies. And I also got these 3 items right here. Tiffany sent me 3 or 4 other things that she really likes from there. Couldn't find them. She had a cookie that was like a fudge stripe that was mint. I didn't even see a shelf hanger for that at my store. But she's all the time saying her kids like these knockoff Doritos. I tried some from Food Line. We ate them, but they're not as good as Doritos. So I'm going to try these. She also said she likes these nacho flavored cauliflower tortilla chips. I'm going to give those a try. And you can't go wrong with these Bible school cookies. That's what we all call them. When I asked Tiffany if she wanted to like sample some of each other's favorite items, I told her, I said, I will send you screenshots of some of my favorite stuff and you send me yours. And then I said, I ain't eating that ground chicken or turkey either. I'm sure it's good, but I'm not there yet. I'm just not there yet. I'm here. I'm with this cauliflower chip. I ain't with that ground chicken yet. I'm just not there. Okie doke, these, and it's going to be backwards because I film on my phone, but these were the loaded bacon and cheddar flavored chips. Me and Patrick both tried these. At first you think they're okay, but they sort of have an aftertaste. They're real kind of salty. The flavor is like real powdery on them. So, I mean, I'm not crazy about these. Patrick, you wasn't crazy about these, were you? No, he's shaking his head no. We probably wouldn't get these again. I'm super excited to try these. These are the Aldi Nacho Dorito. They also had the Cool Ranch. I saw them there too. Let me try this. You like them? Okay. The snacker gave me a thumbs up on these. He likes these. I like them too. These are probably the best off-brand Doritos that I've ever had. Tiffany, your kids are onto something. So if her kids like something, you know it's going to be good. I will definitely have to try the Cool Ranch ones next time. Now, here is the one I'm the most excited about. This is the cauliflower chip or cauliflower tortilla chip. And this one is nacho flavored. They had another one that was sea salt, but I pulled up the picture that Tiffany sent me and she had the nacho, so I thought I would try it. What do you think about them, Daddy? He's shaking his head no on these. Patrick does not like the cauliflower tortilla chips, but it's just because he knew they were cauliflower. I liked them. These are great, Tiffany. This is really good. So here I've got plant-based, vegan, gluten-free, grain-free. None of that really matters, like, as far as, like, I don't have a problem physically with any of those things, but I'm sure it's good for me. But, like, I don't have to be gluten-free or anything. But, let's see. 1 ounce of these, about 10 chips, is 140 calories. That's about on par with those bacon ones. Check these Doritos. Okay, same calories and stuff as Doritos, but hey, I'm getting some extra cauliflower. Some roughage is always good for you. I don't think it's necessary for me to try these, but I'll take one for the team here. I'll try the vanilla one, and I'll take the chocolatey Oreo one in and let Patrick try it. Mine's delicious. It's a cookie. It's delicious. How about yours, Dad? Thumbs up from the snacker. He liked the chocolate ones. I mean, it's Bible school cookie. What's not to love? Friends, thank you so much for being here this week. This has been a load of fun. Don't forget to go over and check out Tiffany's video, see what she got at Aldi this week, and see which of my favorite snacks she's trying and what she thinks about them. I'll see you on Sunday night. As always, until then, I send you love from my kitchen.